When the night is deep and danger is near, your greatest hero is the magic Batman Tricam Black. With advanced security features, it is the perfect protector for your home. Its triple lens gives you a live view from 3 angles at once. Each lens provides 5 megapixel ultra clear video quality. In essence, this 15 megapixel camera ensures that every corner of your home is incredibly secure. It's not just a camera, it's an intelligent guardian. With its human detection feature, it doesn't just observe but also alerts you immediately. The sound alarm compels any intruder to flee. Even in darkness, every face and corner is clearly visible. Batman Tricam. With colored night vision, nights will be as safe as days. Whether you are at the office or on vacation, you can view your home from anywhere with the live view feature. The whole family can keep an eye on the house with the multi-user view. Both models come with 4G Wi-Fi. The 4G version allows you to use a SIM card. Just insert it and you're good to go. For the Wi-Fi version, you'll need to connect it to your home router. Both models can be easily set up with the V380 Pro app. Keep an eye on every angle with PTG functionality, offering 355-degree coverage. You can manually adjust the other 2 cameras to your preference. No need to open the door anymore. With the 2-way audio feature, you can talk to people outside while staying inside. Your data is always secure as Batman Tricam supports 128GB memory cards. It supports up to a 128GB memory card and offers cloud storage. Every recording is safe and accessible. This camera saves you money. Instead of buying 3 separate cameras, you only need 1 SIM card to access 3 different views. Your home's true superhero, the Batman Tricam. This advanced security system keeps your home always protected. With this state-of-the-art security system, your home will always be protected. Place your order today and you can find the link in the description for easy purchase.